Well, according to this Marty report, we have a 1968 Mustang fastback genuine GT S code 390 factory born 4-speed, sold new in San Gabriel, California. The gentleman I bought this car from, I've known for decades. He actually bought and sold Mustang parts. He would restore one or two Mustangs a year. I always bought them from him. They were great cars. Well, he's been retired. He wanted to get himself a Mustang. So he bought this California rust-free original sheet metal car, original motor, original trans, and he realized he doesn't like driving a stick shift anymore. So we bought it from him, and it's just a really good example of a GT 4-speed car. Go to volocars.com. You'll find 200 classic cars, all with price tags and monthly payments, including this one right here. But first, let's go for a spin. So it's a GT. It has the sprint hood option with the indentation and the louvers and working turn signals. Somebody took these off and chrome plated them. I think that looks pretty sharp. All nice, straight, fits real nice, straight, looking really good. On the cowl itself, the paint's a little fuzzy right there. All of this is really nice and shiny. It's an older paint job, but it presents really well. And again, original California sheet metal, not a bunch of reproduction panels or patched panels. Door shuts real nice. Awesome looking fastback design. Has the louvers on the quarter panels. All this is clean and straight and fits real nice. I like how that curves in like that. The tail lights are curved. This is all clean right down to the bottom. And again, an older paint job, so it's really stood the test of time. It says a lot. Got a little fake louver here, and you got louvers here. Real nice car. All the chrome, trim, the stainless, it's all very good. It's not new, but it's all very nice looking. The windshield is crystal clear. Genuine GT. Has some torque thrust wheels on there, 15-inch with Goodyear Eagle GT tires. Up front, the bumper and the grille look real nice. Has the fog lamps as part of the GT package. It was an Acapulco blue car. It was changed to Raven black at some point. But yeah, you can see that is one sharp looking car. Why don't we open it up, show you the engine and the interior. I love that fastback design. Good looking lines. Still has a pretty good sized trunk, don't it? All clean metal. Under the trunk lid's painted, the jambs painted, new weather strips. As the mat with the matching tire cover. Over a spare with the jack assembly. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon. You'll be notified as the videos are posted. And do go to volocars.com. You will be impressed, I promise. Jams are very respectable. They're clean. Weather strips are good. Door panels, armrest, all that looks very nice. Sill plates look new. You notice the interior lights are working. So the whole instrument panel, all this is very nice and clean. It's supposed to be 80,000 actual miles. It does have the tachometer. Dash pad's real nice. All the bezels, all the trim, all the metal. Look, Mustang stereo. Original glove box. Kick panels are real nice. Carpet fits very nicely. It's got a Hurst 4-speed with the vintage T-handle shifter. This console will come out. I think there's like a screw holding it down. It's functional, cup holders, all that. I'm not a big fan of it. That's easily taken out. It's an aftermarket item. Now we do have seat belts. The upholstery looks to be in really nice shape. And back is the fold down seat. Actually, it doesn't close with this console here. But it is a 2+2 because you got 2 passengers. Well, now it's 4 passenger. This upholstery looks like it could be original. It's in very good shape. We got the seat belts, working lights, nice plastic trim all around. All the trim looks very good. Headliner's probably been replaced. That looks new. with matching visors. The mirror looks real nice. Beautiful polished wood rim, aluminum spoke steering wheel, and it's on a tilt column. You actually push forward on the turn signal lever. Okay, I'm just leaning over. I'm not getting it right. Oh, there we go. So tilt wheel, kind of a rare option. Now, best we can tell, we were told it's the original engine, and we checked the dates and the codes. It is a 390, and the dates match this car, so it's as good as you can get on a 67. Now, up on top, under this long vintage style air cleaner, it's a tri-power setup that was added to the car. They didn't have tri-power, but I think it's a really cool feature. You got 3 carbs. When you open all 3 up, you'll hear them and you'll feel it. So finned aluminum Cobra style air cleaner and valve covers. Actually, it says Cobra right on the valve covers. Some fat plug wires, chrome support bar. All this is just clean original. If you know what you're looking at, the spot welds, the seams are all nice and clean. That's original metal. This chrome Monte Carlo bar was added. Battery is secured, is the horns, the shroud, the radiator, all that looks proper. Does have power steering. It was born with power steering. That's right on the Marty report. Washer fluid bag. Does have power brakes tucked in there too. So some nice features. Power steering, power brakes, 4-speed, 390 car. Under the hood is clean. Michael's going to go show you what it's got.
All right, everybody, let me start off by saying I am absolutely in love with this car. Holy cow. Factory GT Mustang 390 tri-power under the hood, 4-speed manual. Yeah, and I mean, it's a fastback car. How can you go wrong? This thing is just so sweet. I don't know where to start. I mean, I opened up the hood and it's like there wasn't another ½ inch to cram any bigger of a motor into this thing, and it runs so nice. I've had a chance to start it a couple times now. It just always started easily for me. Took it down the block. This clutch is just so easy to use. It's like feather light, and it's just set up really, really nicely. Absolutely fantastic vehicle. Let's take a chance to check out this idle right here. Totally sweet. Listen to this exhaust. Now, this is the original motor and transmission to this car, so and it's a cold day. We're absolutely going to baby her. Let's see what she's got. Just like that, up to highway speed with absolutely no problem at all. I wasn't even like a third of the way in the throttle there. I don't even think the second and third cars opened up, maybe just once for a little split second, but yeah, this thing's got plenty of power. Again, a huge motor in the little car here, and it's just a special combination. Super fun. And really rare, desirable, collectible car now. So yeah, everything's done on the inside. Seats are nice and comfortable, recovered. All the gauges are working, except the temperature gauge. We're gonna go ahead and send that back to the shop. Maybe something got disconnected. I'm sure it's just a very minor thing, but yeah, our shop did go over this car top to bottom, and we had a very small service bill on it, less than $1,000 spent. Most of that was the big cost was fixing, repairing the exhaust, and then we did other things too, like the horn switch. So you can see all that's working and good now. But yeah, fantastic vehicle, runs and drives just fine. Well, I did want to say this one, you can drive literally like a mile and not need to even touch the wheel. It is so nicely aligned, this car too. So come on down to Volo, Illinois. I can only encourage you to test drive it and check out all the details and the full description on volocars.com.
So we did thoroughly inspect this car. A few stupid things, or not stupid, but insignificant things. We fixed a reverse light, a couple things like that. I've known Steve a long time. He knows Mustangs, so this is not a rotisserie restoration. It's a really nice car. He knows good cars, especially Mustangs. So anyway, underneath looks really good. All the suspension, steering looks real nice. I don't know what you call it, for the power steering, that whole thing looks like new. It does have frame connectors front to back. It keeps it from twisting when you dump the clutch and open up all three of those carbs. So the fuel tank, everything under the car looks very proper and clean. Does have a nice dual exhaust system with accelerator mufflers. The GT quad tips come out through the valance. Looking up at the motor, it's nice and clean. Now, I told you it has the original motor. It has the original 4-speed still in it too. The tag right on the side designates that it's for a 1968 390 GT car, which this is. 325 posi gears in the back. So just a great car. Go to volocars.com. Salesmen can help answer your questions, including how you're going to get your Mustang delivered to your home and how to get financing if you need it. Thanks for watching.